This is a story of mine how I learned to fall asleep in 2 minutes.
Being tired, going to bed, trying to sleep.
Nothing. And I desperately needed to change.
So I do some research and I found plenty of different methods. I divided these methods in 2 categories. To really understand the effectiveness of this technique, I really experiment for 15 days. My plan was to write each night the time I was going to bed and compare the time I actually fall asleep measured with a smartwatch and I sleep monitoring app. I thought it took me 25 to 35 minutes for fall asleep. And the first morning I saw the results, the monitoring app, I was pretty shocked. The next day I tried all the practices contained in the first category. Number 1, exercise, get tired. We need to outside during the day at least 30 minutes and avoid artificial lights coming from the mobiles and computer during the night. Avoid caffeine in every form, coffee, tea, chocolate at least 8 hours before sleep. Take a warm bath or shower before going to bed. During shower your skin gets warm. Sleep in cold environment.
Applying these practices has been relatively easy.
Except for avoiding artificial lights, but I tried to read a book instead. This habit allowed me to feel away more tired and sleepy when I was time to go to bed. But this only I really could not sleep fast, thinking too much instead of sleeping.
That's my real problem.
So I wanted to try 2 techniques that should make me fall asleep very fast. The military method. The technique consistently relaxing each part of your body. Take a deep breath, relax your entire face, including the muscle inside your mouth. Tight the muscle by squeezing your face and then let them relax for the few seconds while breathing out. After that, drop your shoulders to release the tension and let your hands drop the side of your body. Relax your legs tight and calm. Now the hardest step of clearing your mind for 10 seconds by imagining a relaxing scene.
When I try to fall asleep, I always think many different weird things.
If this doesn't work, try saying don't think repeatedly for 10 seconds. And it was not working. So I imagine myself in nature. Even after practice, it takes up weeks to learn this method. Thereafter, while we can get good results.
Oh God, I swear I was about to fall asleep. It was simply relaxed. But weird is thing that I usually need the completely dark environment for a sleep.
The same evening, I put on the band to repeat measurement once again. And I fall asleep at 12:39 am.
Here it says, I fall asleep in 5 minutes. I don't know it's accurate, but I remember I was pretty fast.
The 478 technique claims to be even more effective than the military method. The technique is for systemized in the body to focus on regular in the breath rather than thinking. First, you need to keep off the tongue against the roof of your mouth. Close your lips and inhale slowly to your nose while counted to 4 seconds in your head. Next, hold your breath for 7 seconds and after that, exhale in 8 seconds. I should repeat this process for 20 times. And tried this technique during the day and the night and really I feel extremely relaxed every single time. My plan was working. After 20 days of experience, I keep using the military method and this is the best method for sure.
If you guys like my videos, then subscribe my YouTube channel.